When the waters rose, Pakistan's army rose with them. Helicopters cutting through storms, boats crossing furious currents, soldiers wading chest-deep to carry children in their arms. The battlefield was not in mountains or deserts this time. It was in submerged villages, and once again, the army proved it is the nation's true shield. Yet even as rescues continue, one truth becomes clear. Relief is not enough. Only prevention can secure Pakistan's tomorrow. And prevention lies not in words, but in walls of stone and steel.